Hey guys, Ryan here at Signature Edits, and I am excited to show you our brand new Family What to Wear Guide template. If you are a family photographer and you struggle, as we all do occasionally, with our clients arriving and their outfits are just not what we wish they were, well, this guide is perfect for you. Or if you're a family photographer and you just want to up your branding and improve your client experience by just providing that wow factor, well, this guide is going to go a long way to making sure your families are prepared for their sessions, know exactly what to expect, and arrive excited. So let's dive in. Let me show you what's included, okay? So for starters, we have 13 total pages. We've got a beautiful front cover. We've got a nice hello page. And then photo spreads to show off all of your gorgeous imagery, as well as a nice little quote here. Then we've got some beautiful pre-written text about location selection, what to bring, timing for the shoot, preparation, just emphasizing the things that they can do ahead of time to make sure that the session is as amazing as possible for both of you. Then we've got some nice photo spreads, a 5 wardrobe tips section that just talks about, don't match, coordinate, don't be too seasonal, don't wear your Santa hats to the shoot, avoid really crazy patterns, go for more earth tones and textures, go for fitted clothing as well as clothing that has movement for motion shots, just some great tips for nice lifestyle and family photography. Next, we have another photo spread here and some style examples of do's and do nots. So with the do's, we've got go for muted tones, complementary colors, avoid busy patterns, layers, and movement, things that really add to amazing shoots. And then for the don'ts, we have, don't arrive wearing all matching clothing. Avoid those super bright, saturated colors. Don't go for loose clothing. Go for something that's a little more fitted. Make sure that you incorporate layers and accessories into your outfits. And finally, we have a nice FAQ section which talks about what's your shooting style, what should I expect, what if my kids won't engage, can I cancel, all those details that the clients are looking for, the questions they're likely to ask, well, you can answer them before they ever ask and save yourself a bunch of time and just make them feel more cared for, more taken care of. So we've got that as well as a beautiful ending page with your contact details. It's super easy to edit. Let me show you the front page and just show you how. So this guide is so easy to edit. We designed it that way because we're not Photoshop experts, and that means we designed it for people who are not Photoshop experts. You don't have to be a master of Photoshop to know and use this guide. It's so simple. Let me show you how it works. Each page is organized into its own folder, and to see the page that you want to see, you just make sure you click these little eyeballs for all of the pages above whatever page it is. So let's say I want to edit page 5. And to edit page 5, all of the contents of that page are inside of another nice folder. We've got our text and our background. So let's go up to page 1 by hitting these eyeballs. Great. Then I'm going to open this up. And to switch out my images, all I have to do, it says replace with your image, double click. We just double click here on this little preview. Perfect. I've got some sample images pulled up right here. I'm just going to navigate. Let's say I want this to be my cover. I'm going to grab this image, drag it in, and just resize it by holding Shift and then clicking and dragging this photo. Holding Shift while I do it will make sure that it doesn't get distorted like this. So I hold Shift so that doesn't happen. Resize, click Save, and bam, my cover has been updated. It's as easy as that. And let's say I want to change the text here. Well, I just find the text that I want to edit. So I'm not Tracy, so I'll put in Ryan Studio. And to move it, all I have to do is select my Move tool and then click and drag. It's as easy as that, guys. You can go through, create this entire guide in under 10 minutes. All you have to do is just insert your own images and edit the text as you see fit. Okay, so that is our brand new Family What to Wear Guide template. I'm so excited to get this into your hands and see the difference it makes for your studio, for your branding, and for your family shoots. If you have any questions, please let us know. Otherwise, add it to your cart now to get started. Take care.